Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I need to start my development environment. Then I play one round of my game and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. One command in the terminal. Wait for a few lines to appear. I know it's ready. And I can play what I want, but I want to use new setting. Let's do this. I probably start with sniper today. Still missing one line, I guess. Okay, now it should be ready. It runs in the browser. That closed for me. No data, so I start fresh. Okay, I'm the guy in the middle. First I need to choose a class. I start with sniper today. It's aside the enemies, if I get close to them, they attack me. My bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get the highest score. Based on how far away from the middle I died. Goal is to get as far away as possible. Enemies get stronger the further away I am. I get stronger the more I kill. Play until I die or win. Thing difficult at the start. As a sniper, I have a high range. Can attack enemies before they see me. Slowdowns. The virtual mission was here short before I could see him. I take damage and range. Damage and minus range. Speed. We should be a bit slower. Pretty far. My level. This boss I take. Stay still probably. Additional charge. I lost my stay still damage bonus. Ink. Synergy stay still. I don't have anything fireline and nothing helps me. Synergy stay still can help in the future. Doesn't do anything now. Let's take it. Speed. I'm now. far. Okay, next boss. Hope for something better. Damage. Mist Chain. Oh, Mist Chain is the highest multiplier. Let's go for it. Might be difficult. This could be my death. From each direction. Okay. Actions. Don't feel safe with the current upgrades. Let's wait here. It takes split shot. Cooldown reduction. Might be. Let's wait again. I didn't. I have the stay still upgrade. Act. Oh, I think I took backwards shot, not what I wanted. Doesn't matter. I had enough. Even helpful. Pretty. It's coming from all directions. Okay, I take. No Mist Chain or another stay still. Let's take stay still. Reduction. Let's reload. Can sticks. Or I shoot him. 59. Don't think it's enough, and careful. Okay, let's reload. Oh. It already kills me at 60%, I didn't know. Is correct. Starts with 50, each level it's probably 50. Okay. It's chain split shot. Okay, this makes some way sense, in some way not. But it doesn't matter. Okay, this was on one. I take it even though I lost. I don't take it. Okay, next increase version. 310. Do I work on today? Update live with you, I remember. Let's do an npm install and see. I'm probably late on stuff. So there are 12 vulnerabilities. Can you tell me what the newest versions are? Can you do this? 019, 3110, 418.2, 421, F something here, 5, no, 5, 2. Don't choose F late. So this I think only TypeScript would be interesting. 5.0.2. Okay, let's try and install. Till 5 abilities. It fix the 2. Because I have some. Don't even know for what I use this. Don't remember. Didn't update all so daemon to do crit tunnel I don't need anymore. I should throw it out, I guess. Concurrently. Oh, short at the door. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if I 70 just did I update all? I don't know. Install, let's see. F0, does it still work? Run start, was it this one? No, def is what I have for concurrently. Ah, and here's also node1. Okay. Concurrently, node1 is for this TypeScript. Flate, I think I don't need to have in here. Compilation in watch mode. So far, everything looks like it still works. Okay, game does work too, so I guess still can see a flat shouldn't be in here, I guess, because I differently don't think he needs it for anything. Install. No. fail to pass JSON da. Ah, okay. Yes, correct. Scan. Let's burn def. Start. Okay, should be ready. I should be able to reload. I should test multiplayer. The second. Don't know an exclamation mark here, but let's ignore. Hey, connect SSD. I think everything still works. Means I think I can push this. Date versions. Okay. Task done. Back to app modifier. F check spider does not spawn cause and blocking tiles. Spider images. Spider doesn't show its leg. Let's sync. This I could do. Let's start with this one. I think after this I think a bit about I, and then I make images. Okay. I the spider. Spider. Drops the curse. Because I have an on-kill effect. I create. And when I create, I put it here, but find non-blocking, find near non-blocking position. Find nearest. Ah, okay, near. Once spawn is what's the position, which is was game state map state ID counter game and spawn 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 x spawn. This should work. Does it take so long? Ah, this is because I'm still in multiplayer. Disconnected, maybe. Let's test. I make close area. Go die. I myself tank. Start one more. I want to see that the area still spawns, so I have to kill the spider horse. Ah, the legs despawn. This is not what I want. Game task. So I need the spider to not to die for all. Yeah, I'm make spider cannot die or all legs are turned to clones. Okay, but the discourse area spawned. Should do the clones always white? Because for me it's hard to see they change to black. Clones always. No, this is not was related. Layer darkness. Clones start white, turn black. Always white. This should be a spider. Curse does not spawn on the tile. Darkness curse. Okay. Let's push. No, commit. I think this is done. It does show its leg when it's going to dark area. This AI. I should think about it a bit. Spider does show its legs first when going into dark area. More aggressive, so I don't. And I have the spider HP. Spider HP tool. Spider and decent spider HP. Currently low. I mean, it's good that it's low. I would go with boss level, I would say. So let's think for a moment. I basically want to give them a set. I have some function. That tick pet function, no, I don't have. This is also character type, not in a boss area. I have. No, I use only character. functions. Don't have more functions for. But I could do it. I'm more interested in export functions k area HP. Let's call it level is a number. Do I need the bosses? Boss. Do I have info stuff? Character area for bosses. Let's do stuff. Inlet boss of no, this is plus boss stuff is more correct. Stuff bosses if boss type what is it? Character type area boss enemy. Should I scale it? The problem is the boss could be fighting against him. So I want to keep the percentages, I guess. It's current HP percent is boss HP divided by boss max HP. This is from 0 to 1, perfect. Then I say boss HP is no max HP. Max HP is equals have a scaling here. I do have a level. Move speed. Move speed. The values I'm interested in. Equals max times current HP percent. This is level. No, copy the level. Anything else? Experience worse. Oh, this is fair to change. The experience worse. So level. There's something else. Scaling possibilities. I don't do it for them yet. stuff. I should like, only care for the bosses. Let's change it. Bosses, character array. I have just bosses. Perfect. I don't care for these values because I set them afterwards. Don't want to have them here duplicate. Let's do it this way. I have my area box here. Level is scaling. My hours. I should complain. Speed 1, HP. Experience work. Doesn't matter. Let's call it const dummy. Dummy. Scale it. And now I can call it out const level constraint level modified is equals mass point maximum, so it shouldn't be below 2. Should I limit it? Or by I say it starts on 3. 1, 2, 3. Movement speed felt a bit high because he can run over stuff. Let's reduce it a bit. Now he would be speed 2.3 levels. I start with 2.8, but it's too much. 0.5. I start with 2. Get a bit higher. I think this is fair. Now I want this to be increased each time. Increase the boss level, I guess. Split init. I think I have stuff still. Check for boss spawn. Swift level. Level counter. Does someone else increase it? cheat does it. But I use it for boss spawn. This set up. Modify. These are 3 things I can export, spawn, export function, spawn boss. And here I put these 3 in. It seems I need boss stuff. I need game. I scale this up. I take stuff. Stuff. Bosses. And this is more stuff game. Okay. My second place in cheats. Game state boss stuff. Correct. Okay. Spawn boss. Go the area and scale boss HP. I think this is fine. Let's try. I think I wanted. 2, 3. Okay. Good enough. Let's die once. Let's think for a second. Sniper. I expect the spider to be a bit slower now. I don't think he's slower. Sure. Do I need to test? Do I need to test the HP of this spider? I have next postpone, next postpone, next one. Doesn't look like it's more. Sniper. How do I check this? 1, 3. Where are they? Yeah, they are. Next boss spawn. Okay. Take 1 upgrade. Let him spawn from below. Okay, I can do 1 more. I should have made myself tanky. Spirit. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that I can survive. Okay. Let's find out. No? Doesn't feel like I increase the HP, so I have an error. This is definitely called I go over all bosses. Is it a spider? I think yes. Character type air boss darkness spider. Okay, it's a different type. Is there another information I have that it's spider skills? This is okay, it's clear why it didn't work before. Now it's no, I'm confused even more now. Why can't I am in here? Go away. What is I create? Okay, I don't scale it here. The first problem. Scale it in here, and here it's a different type. So this will not even work in here. Hmm. Interesting. And let's take both for now. Type equals character. So one from both. No, it should. Short-term work, long-term, this is not the best. Still take this one. I have the spider. I scale it. I don't have a spider. Spider legs? No. There was. See. So these const dummy value speed HP. So now it should be working, I hope. Speed tanky. The spider. This might be a bit slower. Still does 100. This is good. But it has a lot more HP. But okay, it's expected. Now 1, 2. This shouldn't change anything. 3, 4. This should increase its HP. 18. And now the what do I do? This was damage. Split shot, let's see. The clones have more HP than the spider? Let's see. This should change. Okay. Spawn my clone somewhere. Check to Necto clone. I have some scaling somewhere. Boss level counter. Const clone level is game state, boss level counter, bosses, boss level counter. I take at least level 3. I will reduce it by 1. So it starts on 2 and will always be 1 level behind the spider. Why do 2 will always be 2 level behind the spider? Which should work better with the HP difference. So I'm on 3. 2 behind, this should work. Don't put it in. Sync. Clone level. Tanky. I should get 500. I barely scratch share. 900. Better. Level 1 clone. I hit him, he died fast. Yes, here's a level 1 clone now. 1, 2 boss spawns, shouldn't change anything. Change anything. 1, 2 bosses. More. Now I expect HP. I'm on 21. Have any upgrades? Next best for next boss, and I don't see that HP move, so that's fine. Not sure if the HP difference is. Let's pause for a moment. Let's look into the data. Game state, boss stuff. Let's take this for now. I have bosses. I have. The first one is probably the area with the spider. Darkness spider. My HP is. My max HP, where is it? 2 million. 2.4 million, this is fine. The last one might be the clone. See, he's snipe, he should be cloned. He has HP. Max HP. 600,000. is what I want. It's lower. Five. Okay, but I think this is around where I want it to be. Okay, I accept it. Of stuff open. Game task. I made area boss HP goes with boss level. So this might be better. No, it wants some AI changes. Check what happens on spider set. Yes. Not reset once to low HP? Question mark. No, if I'm out of the area, I should. Shouldn't I? Okay, I can think about it later. Spider A more aggressive, so closer to the middle. Spider shows its legs when it's. What would I wanted? I have to think. Want some AI or some different behavior from the spider. To try this, it can see her legs. She runs away. So let's say spider behavior is if player in map modifier area show self but run away. If player in let's say X units in tech till lose one leg. If player close to middle, attack until dead, something like this. Then I have my shows it legs first. More appears more aggressive. I have this one leg. You get to know its mechanic a bit. Okay. And if the area is small, it could be different. Should I do some teleport animation or should it just disappear? Keep it disappearing for now. Okay, so I would have my Herba Spider, I have my move tick here. Calculate direction, move direction. Guess I don't do wall moving for now. Let's think. I Okay, this is moving based on legs. Maybe based on its HP it will die fast. So I need some tick spider. It is a boss, so it ticks all the time. I check if a character is close. Check leg loss. Should I put it later? Later, I guess. Players I find the closest. I should also determine how close to the middle the distance of the map area I belong to. I have area I to. I have referenced. Can find it. The problem is if I kite the boss out and it returns. Should be a strategy, let's say. I don't want to change it. I could not target players outside, but then it's no longer the closest. The closest player character who's in the boss area would be interesting. Smite modifier has an area, and the area has check if it's inside. So I should or like find target in area. I should return the distance because the distance is what decides my beef. Okay, find. Where do I export it? Because I use it in Spider. I am in. Okay, then I do something different for Spider. Take Spider, function. It will find nearest player in defined area. My nearest player was to Spider. My nearest player to Spider in modified area. This could be it. I find the modifier. I should have one. Now go over one's closest. Similar to determine closest character. Would first get all characters inside the area and then determine closest. The closest, does it return? Returns the min distance, but this is the distance. I need my own function. My nearest player to Spider in that area to return player character, the character distance to center is a number. Or undefined. Or undefined because would find nothing. So I find here closest. Closest layer is character undefined. I have closest player distance. Just set it to null, 0. And I have distance to define. Can start with something. Distance to center, distance to fire center, let's call it. Distance to fire middle. Let's turn it to middle. I go every share of player just get player characters state player charts. Does he care? Never used, okay. If it's position inside shape, have the area boss but the char is inside. Not inside, I continue, let's say. Else closest player is char. If closest player is not set yet, then I can just set it. Character. So I will just do something else. The const is no, it cannot be a const. Cannot be a const. Cannot be a const. I said it. I need closest player distance. Calculate distance from character to was. So I have to check const temp distances. Calculate the distance from the character. If temp distance is smaller, closest player distance, and have to set these two. Have this already. Distance to middle. Oh, I need middle is. Oh, I can calculate it once. This position in the gap shape middle. To have it area was no defier area. If middle it returns a position or undefined. If I don't have it, I can return. It only works for shapes which have a middle. But how do I know? Close I am. Should I only allow circles? Because the area, earlier I want spider to show itself. Although it's slow, they can teleport. I use player to spider and modified. I know the players in distance to the middle can have some values based on it. Maybe I first start with something, then I think about it more. Z is not part of it anymore. Can distance to middle because I have a middle. Distance to via middle from the character. So I calculate distance, the middle. It's the same when I change it up. And the end from here I return could be different if closest player exists. I return player character is closest player and distance to middle is distance. Else I return undefined. I don't find anything. I could also return the distance to boss because this tells me if I should teleport him. I don't have to recalculate it. Distance jar to boss spider. Let's return it together. Distance. Closest player. Closest players. Now I have all value. Change it up. Have the spider game. Okay. I check leg loss. Check later now. No longer need these two. Put it here. Const closest info. So I have closest info. This can be undefined. Yes, so if I have something. Tick. Think. Don't need to tick abilities. This is interesting. The musician. The permanently ticking debuff. I reset. Wait. So I thinking about if someone is in range, I do stuff. And only closest in distance character to spider if this is bigger than this eye. And should. What could happen if no one is in, but there's a spider leg? I would transform it. So let's do this always. Check leg loss. Only happens. I'm close. Closest info if the distance is bigger, I do turn. Doesn't feel correct. I don't do anything. I think that's not what I want. So the idea was to have 3 modes where I have to show myself. So I have a closest. I need to have a let's call it. Let's call it back. Let's give it some values. Back, show, scare player, attack player, something like this. I have move back, one away from the player. Scare player is I want just that he sees my legs, or just sees me running by. Attack player is attack him. But my behavior would be, if I have no closest info, I would move back. Let's put it outside. Closest info is switch. Don't like switch most of the time. Maybe gaze, move back. Basically, I move direction. I say enemy, but I can also say spider, can't I? Extendable. Spider. Want to move to the middle. In this case, I have. Let's get this modifier also here up. Modifier. Let's call it spider. Let's pull spider in so I don't calculate it twice. To be undefined. Can I copy this? I don't think so. I can. Let's put it in. What happened? planes that this exist. Don't have the import. Fine. Check. Okay. Do I need from the modify thing? Calculate the middle again, I guess. Modifier area. Possibly undefined. Okay, I need modifier is no, I return dependent on it. Don't crash. Don't need to care for it here. Slow. This gun. This can also be not existent. Del cares this can be undefined probably. Trevor middle. Back. Back, move to middle. To middle. Don't know, moving back might be better. I'm unsure. Let move back. Start F moves back. I do not have a closest. I move back. Case he doesn't. I have told him he can have more values. He set other ones. Doesn't accept them. But something doesn't add up. AI behavior is equals. Here he allows it. Now he doesn't. I'm confused. Behavior. Confused. Here. Oh yeah. Okay, he calculates what it can be. Okay, fine. Back scare player. So the idea is that I do not know if he scared the player already. To think. to think how often he scares. Say I need some information. Just scared or something. Just scared time. It's optional and it's a number. Scared player time. Now I have a value. Now if I tick distance jar to spider, this doesn't matter. It's distance I'm in. Distance to middle. I feel like based on that, don't know. Say I have distance to middle of 5,000, 10,000. I know the players in 10,000 is a lot, but if then let's say to I behavior scare player. The players in, it's bigger 10,000. I could do an else. I have a target. Else. Do I do an else if? Else if. Let's say 7,500. I have if spider do that the percent is divided spider max. Max HP things. Oh, I misspelled. If I have HP percent is bigger one. No, smaller one. 0.9. I think on 0.8 or something I lose a leg. No, every 10% I think. Let's do this. To say it's a tech player. I'm far away. I also want, like, not attack directly if he steps into it. Why? Basically, if I step into it and it's directly closer than this. Is this it? So I can only test. No, I can modify it. Is this, do I need an else here? Its move back is a default. So he continue to move back. Let's go. Attack player, now he shows it. Ah, he now could move back even off cycle. Is not good. Function can move. This needs a spider. I need to check. Let's for a moment check if spider HP. This is I return true. Return false. Into boolean. This to work. Can spider. No. To out. They can move here. Do I even do can move? All the behavior are for moving. This is irrelevant. I can move. I messed up somehow. This bracket. It's back. But if I cannot move, there's no reason to do all the calculations. If someone is in towards this, to sort it later. Tech player is just moved towards the play. Closest in calculate direction player character. If I have closest in, one can move position. Lock scope. I need to let it be for attack player and move back now. Case scare player is towards the player. But I stop at a certain const distance. Oh no, I have the distance. If closest info distance chart to spider is, what is the view distance? 400. Let's see. I stop once I'm 400. I have a scare play. I have a scare play on 10,000. Let's reduce all the numbers a bit. 2,000, 1,000. Scare player. She runs to my Does it work already? It's chaos. Still have one error. Closest. I don't. Area was spider. I don't have this filter. The movement, move back, attack play. A limit here, how close I go. Distance to spider, if it's scare player, stop. See if I can. The darkness zone? I'm not sure how close. The scare distance. How close? A bit closer. 350. And the distances were high, so let's go 1,500. I don't know, what did I have here? 2,000. 1,500, this might be. So, Spider should see me here. Okay, it's not in attack mode. See the legs. Let's move. I am not guaranteed to see it because here are. No, it detects me because I'm too close. I need to move away if I can I run to it? It doesn't care. So I have nodes to move towards the center. I have player character, but to middle. I am doing the same thing over and over. So these take away, do this out. Here is correct. Calculate move direction, and I move to get the end. No, here it does not. Now it moves back and forth. So I should decide if I use enemy or spider as a word. No, it's smaller 400. No, say plus 10. I'm too near. Else I smooth bolts. If this is only one case where I'm not say put it to 2, say, and I check if moving to this. I think I was on the distance. I crash it. Barely middle. No, access middle? Why can't you access middle? Try. It works before changed. Oh, this is the first time. I calculate middle. Don't. Ach, I hate switches. It's just calculated, and then I have it. Should. This should not happen. 10 is not enough. Oh no, I'm an idiot. I don't move from the spot. Shows it lags. And it follows me. I cannot see it. One, it moves. Now I'm close enough. Need to give him a speed boost when he's running back, I think. Then try this. See him. This works. And now I need can kite him. So we start. Enemy. Died. 10. Now he goes away. With the behavior. Here he comes back. The scaring doesn't happen. Let's see. I do it only 1500. And now I'm confused. Back. The spider is coming towards a player. At some point, it will attack the player. If I can back and forth. Scare player. Didn't she stop scaring? The one I confused. I hit this case. It's only between 1000 and 1000. Tech player in this radius, only okay. So it's more like if I have full HP. I didn't lose a leg yet, let's say. I scare player and attack player. And once I took damage, uh, I took too much damage, I always attack player. Okay. As long as I'm in closest. This might work. I do not need the scare. Where did I put it? Scared this I didn't use, I guess. Sport. Refactor spider. Then I should clean up a bit. Spider leg. Good where my here. I now have 3 modes: move back, attack player, scare player. I come to the area, I scare. Back if I'm not in the area. Or I want to the player, I scare him. Oh, by it, I just scare him. So I'm in the area. I'm not damaged that much yet, so I scare him. Once I'm damaged below, I attack. My idea was the spider runs away once it loses a leg. And it will get hit and attacked by 2 abilities if it's close. It one back if it's in. Check leg loss. I only tick certain things. Ability I currently don't have any ability. No, the melee I have. Hmm. So if the area is big, the spider will take longer time to reach the player. But it will reach him in. might be good enough this way. As long as I do not have so, it should come to an end soon. I guess this is fine. Spider? No, always one to me if I'm in. It will always only scare me. I guess this feels little off. I should. If I'm close to the middle, but I cannot, I don't know. Let's say if the spider loses a leg, spider gets the speed boost. I can think about it that time. I only want one exception if what do they call it? Closest in distance to Modimai if our middle is closer, let's say to 4000. Mm. This else if I attack player. Oh, this is bad for my starting test because I'm so I could modify away with the setting. I have 2000. Let's go to 2000, 2000. Let's move. Shades make. Okay. Let's die once. I have to wait until the screen. Okay. Now if I go here, she should slowly approach me. It's a spider female, who is it in it? I don't know. Let's wait. I'm in. It doesn't attack me yet, but now I'm in. Okay. How much? I'm close to the middle. Spider attacks. And if I damage spider enough, should switch to attack mode. Get a few levels before enough damage. Let's give me Spalkin point. This should be helpful. Lost her first. Spider lost its leg. Or if I'm outside, you have to return, spider. But I don't do back. There's a problem. Spider, if I move back, I behave. Closest info. This is not quite. Because move back works without it. So can move. So I could do this for now. It's too many. closest info and and there's something missing. No, can move is preventing moving at all. Okay. Spider should move back. Let's wait. Okay, let's take a few enemies. Okay. She hides. Enough to attack. I leave the area. No moving back. Still not. Confused. She did start moving away. I'm very close. Something doesn't match. Can move. Is moving to middle. Red shape middle. Okay, set moving to 2. It say move to the middle exists. I don't get in here. I have no closest info. I don't check it here. The move back. I break the cases. All my thinking it should work. I have no closest info, so I should not be able to. Try sources. Go here. Or scare players move. So what I want is this one. There the spider is. Need a bit more vision. Don't let me. Oh. Oh, it happens. Stop. Okay, debugging has failed. No. I'm totally confused. Me move. Follow. Staying. Goes into this case. Move direction. It's two. Enemy is moving. Yes. We have a new position. Why? Minus 426. 427. This should. I don't take the legs. Is this the case? Let's close this info. Take spider leg position. This is not happening. This is movement dependent. Can move. Okay, let's do this. Can move. I'm not quite sure. I think I have to put it there. This should be the case. Waypoint. Better should run to me. Let's take the snipe. Problem is if I give me a lot no, skill point is a Bit short. Okay, is it already here? I didn't see it. Couldn't see it. Moves away. Back. A few level. Lost the leg. No, it follows, but it doesn't until here. And I. Okay, the leg falling off and the clone spawning is something I cannot really see. It's hard to see because I have to run away from this. Killer is still okay. I think I can stop there. Just let's. I think I could run the replays in the broken mode. Let's spider a. Sure. Different spelling possibilities. Scare. Scare. Attack. Run back. Something like this. Okay, let's. One more. Question is, should I. Let's see what happens with the test once they all need to fail. See how fast they fail. This might take the longer. At 8,000 distance, I. Died, okay. The ball might be the one with the highest possibility to survive. Oh, but it changes what I skill, so yes, it has to fail. So what I would say I build up all new replays next. So this sniper, builder, gamer, musician, short replays. My next task, push circuits deployed. Plays are broken. So I want to change now to the spider. I have I should update. Done this more or less. is this spider images? Spider. Check spider. Check spider behavior. Okay, then task for next time. Done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.